Just what are professional chef services? Who can use them? And why would you use them? We're in the kitchen. Let's talk. Hi, my name is Kevin, and together with my wife Amy, we own a professional chef services company called Heritage Street Cooks. In summary, we create personalized, elegant, and casual meals for busy professionals, active seniors, and families that are just too busy to cook. There's three main areas of services that we provide. Number one, it's family meals and weekly meal prep. These meals are delivered to your door and can be tailored for special diets like keto, gluten-free, dairy-free, just to name a few. Number two, we provide date night cooking classes for families and couples. And number three, gourmet dinner celebrations. You see, we have found that our client is craving the opportunity to actually enjoy the event, enjoy the moment, without having to cook or clean. Food and service have been at the center of my universe and the focus of my career for over 40 years. Starting out in college as a waiter, bartender, and working my way up the ranks. Most recently as an executive chef and a marketing executive for the largest food service company in the country. Food is my love language. The best celebrations we know take place in your home, in your kitchen, at your table. We take care of all the details and provide you with an experience that you'll never forget. I promise. So, check us out. Coming soon is our beginner's cooking class that will begin February 10th. Subscribe to this channel and you'll get all the details as we go along, but that's coming very soon, and you can sign up on our website. All the details of all of our services are at www.heritagestreetcooks.com. Have a great rest of your week and an awesome weekend.